Hello you guys and welcome to this video. My name is Stella. You're watching Nailist. I could not resist that beautiful Modelones starter kit, so we're gonna dig into that. It's probably one of the best packagings I have seen so far. I'm excited to share that with you.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
Okay, before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you like content like this so that you can help me grow and I can buy more things to show you guys. Oh, this package is called Fierce and it has, if I'm not mistaken, 6 colors of cat eye polish. You get the little magnet thing, some top coats. I'm excited. Okay. Autumn Winter in Modelones. Modelones is one of the cruelty-free brands. They seem to be very amazing and this is my first kit I get from them. So I'm pretty excited to share it with you. It comes in this little beautiful bag in pink. And if I'm not mistaken, this one is only available in the States. So opening this up, it comes with some sparkly stars and crystals, gold color. I'm not a huge fan of these, but I don't know. Maybe you can just style them with something. Let's see. Here come the colors themselves. Those are like, it's the Pretty Bottles collection. This is what it is to me. Oh my god, they're looking super cute. They're all cat eye effect, so it means that they have little magnets that you can move around with the little magnets yourself. This palette is called Fierce. It comes with this beautiful colors, these 6 colors, and then it comes with a top coat and a base coat right here. So we're gonna open this up, but first, ooh, this is a little LED nail lamp. It comes with a USB cable, and oh, it's the first time I see one of these. I've seen them online, but I haven't had one of these, so yeah. Oh god, it comes with 6 lights under it, and it's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. It just stays like that, and you can put all your hand under that. I'm not sure of how fast it cures gel because it's just 6 lights, but I also think you can just use it as it is, just close like that when you want to put your gel X nails or stuff like that. So that's pretty interesting and useful. Let's put it back and check what else. Oh, it comes with a buffer. It comes with a file. This is a really pretty file. They're all black and pink, so it's, yeah, something I really like. A pair of tweezers and the magnet. The tweezers, I suppose, is for the nail art over there, and the magnet itself looks like this. Okay, so it comes with this, which is a straighter magnet, and with this on the other side, which is a circular magnet. This is, I don't know what it's called, but it's a cuticle remover. So pretty much you just go around your cuticles like this. I wouldn't recommend when you can just have a pair of scissors for cuticles or some nippers. Okay. And this is all. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, right, okay. It comes with some questions and answers, some tips, and then instructions on how to use them, how to remove them, and all that good stuff. So, is there anything else? There's also a postcard. Alright, there's a postcard if you want to gift this to someone, which is actually a pretty good gift. Like, it looks impressive. So let's go to the colors themselves and let's see them. All right, beautiful. I'm gonna swatch them, just not right here. Alright, from what I see, half of them must be cat eye and half of them must be solid colors. So this burgundy one and those 2 reds look like they are actually solid colors. Yeah. The opacity in them is just, oh my god. Let me do a smell test. They kind of smell like Play-Doh. And this one, they're all very pretty reds, lighter and darker reds. And then from what I understood, this is cat eye, and these two are also cat eye. It's probably a golden. Ooh, that is so pretty, guys. And one more. This is more of a silver, purple tone. They're looking really good. All right. And this is the base and the top coat. So they're looking beautiful. I don't know if I've seen any packaging that looks better than this, as I told you guys. We'll fast forward to the swatching, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. So much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she